I got this 60th anniversary White House News Photographers book. Not sure the year. Definitely 70s or 80s from the ads. But just a quick little run through, show you what's what. Surprised there's no date here. 1981. Just to show you what's in here. Very cool old ads. Different cool pictures from over the years. My dad was a photographer for ABC News for forever, or for a while, or he's a sound man. But he got invited to a lot of these White House things. Go back to Iran. Yeah, you can see better here. But just to show you what's in it, various cool pictures from the time. But yeah, I don't know, it's for its age, it's in really good shape. So the back, front, yeah, it comes off. So it's been sitting for some time, but very cool.